Welcome to the My Channel Road Beast Car, where we bring you the latest updates on cars, motorcycles, RVs, and travel vehicles from around the world. If you're passionate about innovation, comfort, and life on the road, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content. Now, let's explore the exciting 2026 leisure travel van. The 2026 leisure travel van continues to build on the brand's reputation for combining luxury, practicality, and premium craftsmanship in a compact motorhome. Designed for travelers who want the comfort of home without driving a massive RV, this latest model offers an ideal balance of style, efficiency, and convenience. Built on the dependable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, the 2026 model delivers a smooth and confident driving experience. Its modern exterior features sleek body lines, aerodynamic styling, and high-quality paint finishes that give it a premium appearance. Despite its compact dimensions, the vehicle is designed to maximize interior space while remaining easy to maneuver through cities, highways, and scenic backroads. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the attention to detail. Premium materials, elegant cabinetry, and modern lighting create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Every inch of the cabin has been carefully designed to provide comfort and functionality. Large panoramic windows allow plenty of natural light to fill the living space while offering beautiful views wherever your journey takes you. The living area is equipped with comfortable seating that can easily transform into additional sleeping space when needed. Depending on the floor plan, the van features either twin beds, a Murphy bed, or a spacious lounge arrangement. These flexible layouts allow travelers to choose the configuration that best matches their lifestyle and travel needs. The kitchen is surprisingly capable for a compact motorhome. It includes a modern induction cooktop, microwave oven, refrigerator, stainless steel sink, and generous storage compartments for cookware and groceries. Solid surface countertops provide both durability and a premium look, making meal preparation enjoyable whether you're camping in the mountains or parked near the beach. The bathroom is another highlight of the 2026 leisure travel van. It features a separate shower, a modern toilet, and a stylish vanity with practical storage. The smart layout ensures comfort while making efficient use of available space, giving travelers the convenience of home wherever they go. Technology plays an important role in the new model. A large touchscreen infotainment system supports smartphone connectivity, navigation, Bluetooth, and voice controls. USB charging ports, wireless charging options, and multiple power outlets keep all your devices ready for work or entertainment. Advanced climate control systems help maintain a comfortable interior in various weather conditions. Powering the 2026 leisure travel van is a refined turbo diesel engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The combination delivers strong performance, excellent fuel efficiency, and reliable long-distance capability. The vehicle is equally comfortable on highways and winding mountain roads, making it an excellent choice for extended adventures. Safety remains a top priority. The Mercedes-Benz platform includes advanced driver assistance technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, parking sensors, and a high-definition rear-view camera. These features provide additional confidence and peace of mind during every journey. For travelers who enjoy off-grid adventures, the 2026 model offers impressive self-sufficiency. Available solar panels, lithium battery systems, efficient power management, freshwater storage, and onboard generators allow owners to camp comfortably without relying on campground hookups for extended periods. Storage has also been thoughtfully designed. Numerous overhead cabinets, underbed compartments, exterior storage bays, and hidden organizers provide plenty of room for clothing, camping gear, outdoor equipment, and travel essentials without making the cabin feel cluttered. Overall, the 2026 leisure travel van is an excellent option for couples, solo adventurers, and small families seeking luxury, reliability, and freedom in one compact package. Its combination of premium design, advanced technology, comfortable living spaces, and dependable performance makes it one of the most attractive luxury camper vans available today. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this look at the impressive 2026 leisure travel van. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell so you never miss our latest automotive and travel vehicle updates. Let us know in the comments where you would take this luxury travel van on your first adventure. We'll see you in the next video.